Hey guys, welcome to Cute T Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the T-Rex Blox Fruit. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Near the bottom, let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And then curve it back in underneath. Now on the right, let's draw the other eye in the same way, but we're going to make it a little bit smaller. And then add a circle inside each one. Next, underneath the eyes, let's draw the nose. Let's start with 2 lines down. Then from the top, let's angle it out and back in like this. And that's it for the nose. Next, let's hop on top in between the eyes and let's draw a V-shaped point going down. And then another point on top to form a diamond shape. Next, on the left, let's draw another curve going up. And then curve it up. And then another curve next to it on the right. Now from the top, let's bring it out and down on both sides. Then curve it up from the ends. Then let's bring it down and wave it back in towards the center. Next, we're going to hop back down and we're going to draw the horns. Let's start on the right and let's draw an angle up. And then another smaller one down near the eye. Now from this line, let's draw a bent line going up. And then a curved point over, like this. Now top to the left and let's draw the other horn. Let's start with 2 bumps. Then from the outside one, let's bring it up and curve it in. Now from the top, let's bring it back down and then curve it over to close off the horn. Now underneath the horn here, let's draw the bottom part of the mask. Let's start underneath the left horn and we're going to draw 2 bumps going down and in like this. And then let's curve it out and bring it back in. Now top to the right side and draw a small angle out and then curve it down. And then a curve back in at the bottom. Next, let's hop to the center and let's draw a V shape underneath the nose. Then another V shape out on both sides for the teeth. Then to close off each side, let's bring it up and back down. Now top back up to the top, and on the right side of the diamond, let's curve it up and then back down. And then on the left, a curve across to the left horn. Now that we're done drawing the mask, on top let's add some more spikes. Let's draw a point up, down, and back in to form a diamond shape. And then 2 more, getting smaller as we go up. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the body. On the top underneath the diamonds here, let's bring it out, continue it on the other side of the horn, and then curve it down, stopping here. Now top to the right, and let's draw an angled line for the right side of the top. Next, let's add the pieces coming out from the side of the body. On the left side, let's draw a V-shaped point up and down, and then a larger one next to it on the left. Now let's curve it back in underneath both sides. And then close it off at the end. Now let's hop over to the right and let's draw the other side. Let's start with a small angle down, and then a V-shaped point up, like this. And then curve it back in underneath. Now let's hop down and let's draw the bottom part of the body. On the bottom right, let's bring it down and curve it in. And then a line down on the left here. And then close it off at the bottom. Now top to the left, and let's continue the left side by bringing it down, and then an angled line to close it off. And that's it for the T-Rex Blox Fruit. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!